Hello, everybody. I'm Helen Panza. I'm your instructor for BUS220, Principles of Management. Or is it Management Principles? Either way, we're going to have a fun 8 weeks together, learning all about the world of management. As every course is on Bryan University, we learn in different ways. We learn by Learn-Its. Every week, there'll be a couple of Learn-Its to do. We learn by reading our book. We learn by engaging in Yellow Dig, our social media platform, where you'll explore new ideas, thoughts, topics that you won't find in your book. We are learning by assignments. Make sure you make time in your week for your assignments. There's one every week, just about. And they are very writing intensive, so hone your pencil, hone your grammar, get ready to write. What else can I tell you about our class? I can tell you that it's going to be a fun 8 weeks, and we will have live sessions beginning the first week of class. Class begins on August 14th. Our first live session is Tuesday, August 15th. Come to either the 8 a.m. or the 6 p.m. session, and that is Pacific time. So do the math and come to one of the sessions in your time zone. Click on the link on the left called Web Meetings to find the exact link and time of our live session. You've got the grit to get there. You've got the know-how. Show up, and we will travel this world of management together. See you on Tuesday.